Cooking may be fun, but for me, cleaning up afterwards is the worst. I'm the one who cleans along the way as much as I can so I don't have so much waiting for me to clean up after the meal is over. And you can often find a sink of rinsed dishes after dinner waiting to be cleaned and put away. So when I read about a trick way to clean baked-on food from a frying pan, I was all ears. I thought it sounded too good to be true, but this morning, when I had left the sausage to simmer for much longer than I had planned, I thought I'd test out the magic of this cleaning method. I found cleaning stainless steel cookware can be difficult and can take a lot of elbow grease. Watch the full video and see how easy this method was for me to do. I'm Tonya, and welcome to Candid Kids Creations. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I started making these videos as a way to help teach my children how to cook and to pass on some household tips I've learned. We've decided to make our lessons public and to share what we're doing with others who may want to learn to cook or try out some of the ideas we found work for us. If you want to know when I post new videos, hit the subscribe button below and then post a comment saying I subscribed or introducing yourself. I'll respond to any comments made and look forward to getting to know you. Now let's get on with the lesson of how to clean a dirty frying pan. This morning I made some sausage for the kids and I let the pan sit a little bit longer than I intended to, so it's pretty gunked up and sticky looking, and I thought this might be a good time to try a trick that I had seen online. I thought I'd try it and see if it works or not. I've seen a lot of different blog sites and videos over the last few years of using dryer sheets to clean pots, so let's see what happens with this one. Just to give you an idea of how this one is, I can't scrape it up. I'm going to have to soak this and really scrub it if I do it in my regular method. So I'm going to add just a little bit of dish soap. And then I'm going to pour in some hot water. I had the kettle going earlier. And I have just a regular dryer sheet that I'm going to lay in there, and it says just to lay it in there and to let it sit for an hour. So we'll set the timer for an hour and we'll come back and see what happens. Okay, so it's been soaking for an hour and let's see what happens. I'm going to pour off the water and it's supposed to be clean, but we'll see what happens. So you can see all the caked on is really just coming right up. And the dryer sheet itself is used enough to clean whatever little bit was left. Let me take a minute to wash it with the sponge and I'll bring it right back. So the pan is clean, ready to go again, and I literally just washed it with the sponge and some soapy water, and I didn't have to scrub anything. It came right off. Let me know in the comments below if you've used this method or if you have another technique that works for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell below if you want to know when our next video is ready. And if you like this video, please share it with a friend and like it below. I hope you'll check out our other how-to videos on cooking and real-life problem solving. Thanks for watching.